For today I have to do the unboxing. The package was sent from eBay. It was for Bulgaria, relatively fast arriving. It is written that it should be the clothing machine. It's a pretty small one. And let's start with the unboxing. It is pretty well packed. Okay. Let's check what we have. First we have the power supply. It's a European plug. After that we have some of the parts. It is a small machine. It is do-it-yourself kit. We have these rods. After that we have some of the parts. It's obvious that they are printed in this kind of shape. We have some stripe here. Another two rods. I think this one is something like pot, where you can do some drawings on it. I'm not very confident what is that. We have the assembling instructions. I suppose I'm going to assemble it in another video. In this package we have the two stepper motors, I suppose for X and YZ. Z is servo, some micro buttons for protection. It is partially assembled. We see that we have cooling radiators and the Arduino Nano as controlling unit